Hey, back up. Hey, watch out.
On September 4th, 2025, San Francisco police shot 45-year-old Juan Antonio Serrato after he lunged at an officer with a pair of scissors on Highway 101. Body camera footage and 911 calls were later released during a public town hall.
You all right? Come over here. Let's get some cars. Let's go over here. What's that? Hey, back up. Hey, watch out.
Drop it.
Drop it.
I'm fine without you.
I need to apply pressure.
No, it hurts, man. It hurts. Hey, I'm obviously awake after you shot me. I can breathe, man. Come on.
Paramedics on the way. What's your name?
Yeah. My name is
You said 101 northbound at the Cesar Chavez Street. Come up the wrong way.
I'm seeing a little